Jimmy Doolittle, who led the raid on Japan with that squadron of B-25s, always said Bob was the greatest stick and rudder pilot he ever saw. By the way, the Cessna Citation that just landed on board are our Red Arrow pilots, and they will be taking down
From the right, the Huey and the Cobra. Ken Collins in the lead. Ryan Reynolds on his wing.
Helicopter Company. The helicopter was later transferred to the Singapore Air Force, then sold to Northwest Helicopters. Helicopter. And what we're doing here, ladies and gentlemen, is replicating a helicopter going in to recover a downed airman. Now in comes the Cobra to fly air cover. Your restoration to the condition that you see here today. One of only 12 Cobras in civilian hands to be transferred from the military makes this an extremely rare machine. With only 2 seats, the pilot is in the back, the weapons operator is in the front. The Cobra is equipped with the number of weapons, including its nose-mounted 20mm and 3-barrel cannon, plus the 7, making the Cobra a very formidable weapons platform. So what you're seeing now is the Huey simulating a downed airman recovery and air cover being provided by the Apache. Excuse me, the Cobra.